My name is Elifuraha Laltaika from the Faculty of Law of Tumaini University, Makumira. This is in Arusha, Tanzania. And my work at STIAS is looking at the land rights of traditional hunter-gatherers in Africa. And these are communities that are traditional and they use the land communally. And we have quite a number in Africa. They include the Hadzabe of Tanzania, the San of Southern Africa, including Namibia, and also we have the Baka of the rainforest in Cameroon, Batwa of Burundi. And the importance of this study is really connected to the cultural significance and the spiritual significance these communities attach to their land. So the land for them is everything. That's where they get medicinal plants. That is where they really practice their spirituality. And unfortunately, it is not protected, legally speaking. And there are many factors. For example, many countries think it is not important to be a hunter-gatherer, and they think probably it's important to put that land to better use in a manner that may contribute more to the economy of the country. And my research wants to really come up with some tools that may help countries to make sure that rights of these communities are safeguarded in line with international standards that require protection of communities in the margin, especially those that self-identify as indigenous peoples. So there are two key hurdles that my research wants to investigate. One is the aspect of collective rights and individual rights. Human rights put primacy on the individual, but unfortunately that is not a very good way to protect rights of hunter-gatherers who want their rights protected as a collective, because even land they use communally. Therefore, there's a huge difference between the human rights as we know them that put primacy on individuals and collective rights that we promote that are better suited to protecting communities on the margin who live collectively. But that's not all. There's another huge problem of development in the modernization sense, that we want to develop, to modernize everything, to be able to contribute to the GDP, and therefore these communities find themselves really in a hard situation where the government is to decide whether to put a resort that may generate foreign currency or leave them to continue their cultural and spiritual life. And therefore, it's not an easy way, but it's important to strike a balance between their collective rights and the need for the government in any country to generate income or foreign exchange.